In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Mailchimp in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to attract potential customers or grow your email list, having a well-designed landing page can make all the difference. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the campaigns section. From there, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Go ahead and click that. Now, among the various options, you'll find one labeled landing page. Select it and we'll start crafting your bespoke landing environment. You'll then be prompted to name your campaign. Don't worry, this name is just for your internal use to help you identify it later. A suggestion would be something straightforward like lead magnet landing page. After naming your campaign, you'll need to choose the audience or list this landing page will be targeting. This list is where all your newly acquired contacts will be collected when they sign up through the page. Mailchimp offers a variety of customizable landing page templates. Explore the options and choose one that aligns with your goals, ideally focusing on those that emphasize email capture. A lead generation template is particularly useful as it streamlines the process of setting up an efficient email capture form. Now that you've chosen a template, it's time to design your landing page. Start with the header and main copy. You'll want an eye-catching headline that immediately grabs attention and a concise description that highlights the benefits of what you're offering. Reflect on the value your audience will receive and make sure it shines through in this introductory text. Next, let's talk about visuals. Good visuals can enhance your message and make your content more engaging. Consider adding images or a cover image that showcases the lead magnet, such as an ebook or a checklist, to visually communicate what visitors will get. The email capture form is a critical component of your landing page. While Mailchimp integrates this automatically into the template, ensure that it's prominently positioned to grab the attention of your visitors. Accompanying the form, your call to action button needs to be compelling. Use strong action-oriented language such as download now, get your free guide, or claim your discount. This encourages users to take immediate action. Before you hit publish, always take time to preview your landing page. Check how it appears across different devices, ensuring your design looks great on both desktop and mobile platforms. Once you're completely satisfied with everything, you can go ahead and click publish. Then it's time to broadcast your landing page to the world. Share the URL on your website, social media, advertisements, email signatures, or through any other marketing channel you're using. And there you have it, a complete landing page ready to capture leads and grow your audience. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to creating effective landing pages with Mailchimp. Thanks for watching and happy designing.